studio reference monitor. Well, the question is why you need this. So talking about some fact with compared to bookshelf speakers, we will in fact talk about some important specification to help you what to buy. So basically a studio monitor should be both full range and flat response, termed as FR. What I mean by flat is that there should not be huge peaks, throw or notches which fundamentally change the sound which is going into the speaker system. That's where the major difference comes in terms of bookshelf or high fidelity speakers. So having huge difference in terms of quality and their intent usage of application. So bookshelf or high fidelity speakers having huge difference in terms of quality and their intent usage of application, which are designed for home listening purpose. Generally having the frequency completely buries the mid, bass or treble, overwhelming sort of things. That's when studio reference monitor comes in. They are designed for professional audio production, for professional or home recording studios, where accurate sound reproduction is critical for mixing. Of course, studio monitors comes with a price tag, bit expensive as compared to bookshelf speakers which you get in normal electronic shops. So studio monitors can be near field or far field monitors. So far field monitors are typically mounted along the parameters of the room and are generally 10 feet away from the listener's position. And near field monitors are generally placed 2 to 4 feet away. So far field monitors are generally louder. So the louder portion of the sound arrives at the listener's position is reflected sound that can have standing waves pattern. And near field monitors, the amount of direct sound is much greater than the reflected sounds, since the speakers are much closer and generally not as loud. So standing waves are less as an issue. So if you don't have an acoustic treated far field room, then near field monitors are recommended. So where you should place your near field monitors? Technically it should be an equilateral triangle, which means it has 3 equal sides. So there should be equal distance between each of the monitors and between the ears of the person at the listening position. So the monitor's tweeter should be pointing directly at your ears because high frequency content is the most directional of the sound frequencies. So for the best listening, you have to have the tutor lined up directly at your ears. So avoid placing your monitors too close to the walls. You might start getting boundaries, interference, acoustic issues there. So now let's talk about some best affordable pocket-friendly studio monitors. Let's list them based on their price, quality, durability and more. So for more details about the product and specification, you can check out the link in the description below. We'll start with the PreSonus Irish E3.5 and PreSonus Aries E5, one of the best budget monitors produced by PreSonus, used in studios around the globe for having excellent clarity and flat response. So Irish E3.5 is having 3.5 inch woofer and 1 inch ultra low mass scale dome tweeter and provides about 50 watts of output each. The frequency response range is from 80 Hz to 20,000 Hz. And Aries E5, which is lighter compared to some other monitors, with having some solid material being used in the construction and the seals are also tight. They offers a frequency response of 53 Hz to 20,000 Hz. Might say you will be able to hear all the details you have been expecting. Then come M Audio BX5 D3. I must say I do like these M audios. They have been designed specifically with a reference monitor in mind, with wide frequency range, with room correction features, having good clarity and accuracy when it comes to mixing and recording. They deliver 60 watts and 40 watts to the low frequency and high frequency unit. So if you are looking for compact, affordable monitors, these are the best budget design in the market. Then you have JBL 305P Mark II. JBL has been a pioneer in sound engineer in terms of their standard in acoustics. So the JBL 305P Mark II has a frequency range of 15 Hz to 18,000 Hz. Having a 5-inch woofer and a high frequency tutor in 1 inch made of soft dome gives 41 watts per driver, and its accessible price makes it affordable if you are serious about your audio reproduction. Then it's time for my favorite one, which is Yamaha HS5 Studio Monitors, which is the smallest speaker in Yamaha HS series. Must say sky high performance with the affordable price. Yamaha HS series is a successor to the legendary NS10. And who doesn't recognize these wide coned monitor that made musical history? Well, HS5 having clear and flat sound perfect for audio music production. With its 5-inch woofer and with 1-inch tutor, they are perfect for small to medium sized studio space. Having a frequency response of 54 Hz to 30,000 Hz, both the high and low end is covered well. For more details and specification about the product, you can check out the link in the description below.